Good Joseph Ruben. This is my blog with Color Carnival de Corozal 2024. He who led this, he enjoys it. Rejection for Carnival. We get joy, the inhabitants of Corozal with experience the carnival festivities, where the dance, parades, colorful costumes, the battle of flowers, and especially the Corozal night with the different factors in it. These events that will take place on February 7 to 13, which Earth inhabitants will enjoy these festivities because all visits is the way enjoys it. Will this is the best carnivals in history? The carnival with social inclusion, as the organizing board has called it, will start its traditional with the Children's Carnival and will continue with the Great Corozalian Night, where the queens and troughs decorated the main streets of Corozal, in a year of creativity in the part of the singers, choreographers, and all those people who make these festivities possible to honor the good mama. Come, we wait for you. Don't miss it!